lactation consultant. So today, another episode, another blog that I want to share with you. Isa sa mga subscribers ko, one of my subscribers, messaged me privately asking for help kung papaano daw niya maipalatch yung baby niya which has a very tiny small mouth. So the baby has a very small mouth at hindi niya alam kung papaano niya ilatch since birth. So more than a week na itong baby na to. More than a week na itong baby na to na she's really struggling on how to latch. Dahil nga, yung bibig daw ni baby ay parang singlaki lang nung daliri niya kung ipasok niya yung daliri niya. Ganun kaliit yung bibig ni baby. So she's really struggling hard on how to latch her baby. So today is latching problem day. I have few videos before on how to latch a baby having a tiny nipple. But this time, tiny mouth naman yung pag-uusapan natin. Alam nyo, normally sa mga preterm babies, yung mga babies na maliliit, normally talaga maliliit talaga ang bibig nila. And when the baby has a really tiny little mouth, plus i-add pa yung very thin lips ng baby, mag-i-struggle talaga ang ibang mga moms when it comes to latching. So today, I'm going to show you some tricks, strategies on how to latch a baby with a tiny little mouth. So imagine niyo, just imagine yourself if your nipple is like this big. So I'm gonna show it to you. That's how big the nipple is. And imagine if you have a breast like this size. And years ago sa mga ninuno natin na hindi pa nahaluan ng mga banyagang dugo ang katawan ang mga races nating mga Filipinos. Kalimitan sa atin noong sinauna mga maliliit na mga tao, mga 5'5", 5'9", mga maliliit. Bibihira lang ang mga tao nung sinaunang panahon na talaga may mga 5'6", may mga 6-footer. Pero ngayon na nalahian na tayo ng mga banyagang lahi. Kaya may mga Filipinos ngayon na mix ang race nila. May Filipino-American, may Filipino-Canadian, may Filipino-Japanese, may Filipino-Korean, lahat-lahat na. So, nagbabago din ang anyo natin, ang size ng katawan natin, at ang size ng breast natin. So ako, siguro nagtatanong ako yung may lahing Espanyol. So, tinatawag nila ako ditong malaki talaga akong tao because, again, nahaluan ako ng Espanyol. So, maapektuhan ngayon kung paano tayo mag-latch pag sa mga babies na talagang maliliit ang bibig na hindi mo malaman. So, think about it, of how a baby would struggle with a really large nipple like this and a tiny little mouth, okay? Napifeel ko yung frustration ni mom ngayon, na itong mom na nag-message sa akin na humihingi siya ng tulong kung paano niya ma-latch itong baby ngayon na very, very struggling baby on how to latch. So, imagine niyo yung lips ng baby na yan, no? See how thin that lips? Ito'y normal na lips, ha? Normal yan siya. Kasi, itong size na ito, mga 6 to 7 pounds, ito yung mga normal na size ng baby. Now, how much more kung ang pinanganak mong baby is only like about 5 pounds or 5.5 pounds na talagang maliit, plus maliit pa yung bibig ni baby. So, one trick that I've taught so many parents, so many moms in our breastfeeding clinic on how to latch a baby with this type of problem na very small mouth. I normally start with how to position the breast, okay? I've shown this many times before, but for the sake of this mom who messaged me, I hope you're watching this, just to give you an idea on how to reshape the breast so that the baby will be able to latch deeply. Kahit maliit ang bibig ni baby, no matter how small the mouth, the lips are, as long as you're holding your breast properly, then there is a way on how papaano natin mailatch si baby. So, when you're holding your breast, I'm just gonna focus this one, okay? When you're holding your breast, if you have a small breast like this, okay? This is like just a regular Filipino-sized breast. If I say Filipino-sized breast, meaning not too small, not too big. It's in the middle, like medium size. But this is large or XL, okay? So not so many Filipinos have this kind of breast. So that's why I'm using my other model given to me by a good friend of mine. So anyway, so if the mouth of the baby is really tiny, small, like what I've showed you, ganito, kaliit. Ganyan kaliit, okay? Ganyan kaliit. So, could you imagine yung lips ni baby, pag ipasok ko itong nipple na to, hindi magkasya sa mouth. Paano nyo maipapkakasya yung lips na yun doon sa baby? So, here's the thing. The way how I hold the breast would really affect, maapektuhan talaga kung paano kayo mag-latch, okay? Ito ang tandaan nyo lagi. Sa paglalatch, hindi lang yung bibig ni baby ang titingnan nyo, okay? Ang titingnan nyo rin kung paano nyo hinahawakan yung breast nyo, on how you hold your breast. It is important. Why? Even if this baby has a big mouth right now, but you did not hold your breast properly, hindi pa rin magiging deep yung latch ni baby. Okay. Pag medyo yung mga babies nyo older na, maybe 2 months, 3 months, medyo okay na, kaya nyo nang i-latch no matter kahit paanong hold nyo sa breast nyo. Pero pag mga newborn, when it comes to newborn, you have to make sure that you're holding your breast properly. And how's that? So, when you hold your breast, and you make it as in thin, manipis na manipis talaga, okay? Manipis na manipis. I always imagine pag kumakain kayo ng burger, di ba pag nakain kayo ng burger, when you eat a burger, you do less, di ba? Ganun kayo pag kumain ng burger, right? So when you eat a burger, imagine niyo kung gaano kalapad yung pagbuka ng bibig nyo pag yung gusto nyong big chunk talaga ng burger makain nyo. Yun ang imaginin ninyo when you are about to latch your baby. How you hold your breast like a burger, eating like a burger. So, if I am eating a burger ngayon, okay, I'm gonna demonstrate to you, and I'm holding the breast like this, I'm just gonna hold it backward, okay? If I hold it like this, see? This is how I'm going to hold the breast really thin so that I don't focus on the nipple. Forget about the nipple when you're latching, okay? Forget about the nipple. For a tiny little mouth, focus on the breast tissue. Focus nyo yung pinaka-pink. That's your main focus area, the pink. The nipple is sometimes you need to make sure that it's really thin, like this, see? Thin like you're eating a burger. Ganun ako ang pinaka-tricks ko kung paano mapapasubo ko mismo yung nipple ni mom kahit no matter how small the baby's mouth is. Kasi alam nyo, kahit ang breast nyo ganito kalaki, but you know how to shape it really thin, like this, see? See? Pag sinishape nyo yung ganyan siya, very, very thin shape, mapapasok talaga yan inside the baby's mouth, no matter gaano kaliit yung bibig ni baby. It's a matter on how you really hold your breast really thin. So, again, alam kong most sa inyo, hindi tinuturuan ng mga doktor nyo o mga nurses sa inyo yung tinatawag na burger hold. Yun ang tinatawag na burger hold. Yun ang ginagamit kong burger hold na yun kung ang baby ay talagang manipis na manipis yung bibig at lips at maliit na maliit yung lips. Kasi when you hold your breast like a burger thin, this breast tissue, itong side na to, maipasok nyo yun. So, once the baby is pulling the nipple area, pag nagbe-breastfeed na yan, nagiging slim na pagdating sa loob ng bibig. Ngayon, kung ang latch ninyo is mababaw lang, hindi nare-reshape yung nipple at yung breast tissue inside the baby's mouth. Kasi hindi na pupuli. Once the baby start pulling that, alam nyo mangyayari, itong breast tissue na to inside the baby's mouth will be slimmer, thinner, longer. So, normally, based on study, when the nipple and the breast tissue is inside the baby's mouth, inside, okay? Nag-i-elongate yun, meaning humahaba yun, numinipis, at lalong nagdidip yung latch ni baby pag maganda ang pagka-hold ninyo when you're latching. So remember, the burger hold, you can use it for babies who are preterm, babies who have tiny little mouth, at babies who are really weak breastfeeder or weak sucker. Okay? Kailangan nyo talagang i-focus on how to hold it like this, the burger hold. Okay? Always remember the burger hold. Now, if the baby still struggle, let's say, kahit nagbo-burger hold ka na, the baby still not able to latch properly, you try mo dito sa gilid, sa side ng mouth ni baby. Try mo doon ka mag-start. Stimulate mo muna. Ang trick ko is, binabrush ko muna yung mga lips ni baby around, parang tinitis ko si baby. Binabrush ko. Minsan, kumukuha ako ng drop ng milk, pinapahi ko muna sa bibig, ano? So the baby will start doing this, moving the mouth. Timing mo, pag move ng baby's mouth up, then dun mo i-shoot yung breast tissue mo, yung pinaka nipple area at breast mo. Kasi without stimulation dito, hindi nabubuka masyadong wider yung mouth ni baby. But if you are able to clip it, making sure, tap it here, lalo na sa upper lip, tap it. Pag nakita mong nag-open na yung mouth ni baby, then you go, shoot right away. Okay? Timing talaga. Timing is good when you are latching these babies. Now, when baby gets older, wag na kayo maproblema dahil once the baby gets older, medyo mai-stress na dito Mai-stress na yung mouth ni baby and baby will be able to latch deeply. So, ito lang ang maipapayo ko sa nanays ngayon who have who have babies that really tiny mouth, okay? So, again, it's not nipple feeding. It is breastfeeding. So it is the way how you hold your breast when you're latching. So you can use the U-hold if you want, but doon sa mga issues na ganito, ang ginagamit ko yung burger hold. So remember, the burger hold is one of the effective ways on how to latch the baby deeply with a tiny little mouth. So more videos to come. Stick around, please. Do your comments, share this video, and I hope you like this video. More videos to come. Bye for now.